From a budget starter that doubles as a drill to a pro-grade gun built to crack the most stubborn rusted bolts. The right impact wrench depends on what you're working on. We researched the market and ranked the 7 best impact wrenches for 2026, one for every type of DIYer. Links are in the description below. Stick around till the end. The number 1 pick does something no other impact wrench on this list can do. Starting at number 7, the KIMO, the best ultra-budget impact wrench for first-timers. You want to swap your own tires and skip shop labor, but a full impact wrench feels like a big commitment. The KIMO lowers the bar. First, 550 Newton meters, 410 foot-pounds of torque, enough to crack factory-tightened lug nuts in the driveway. Next, it's a 3-in-1. Pop off the socket and it's a drill or driver. 1 by 3 tools. Finally, a brushless motor with dual-speed control and a safety lock. Cooler running, longer life, no accidental starts. Cons: 410 foot-pounds won't budge a badly rusted bolt. 1 battery means no hot swaps on long jobs. Built for light, occasional use. Best for first-timers, tire rotations, light home jobs. Not for heavy rust or daily wrenching. At $49.99, it's the cheapest, honest way into cordless power. Just starting out? Start here. At number 6, the Seesii 665, the best budget value for regular garage work. The problem with cheap wrenches is runtime. The battery dies mid-job and stalls your whole afternoon. Seesii fixes that. First, 665 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, a real jump over entry picks, enough for stubborn lug nuts and suspension bolts. Next, 2 4-ampere-hour batteries in the box. One charges while the other works. No stopping for a dead pack. Finally, a tungsten steel anvil and 6-socket set with a carry case, a complete kit, ready to run. Cons: heavier than the compact picks. No torque settings, full power or nothing. The charger is slow. Best for weekend mechanics, tire and brake jobs, all-day sessions. Not for anyone needing fine control or featherweight tools. At $74.73, the Seesii is the most tool for the least fuss. Working all day, this keeps going. Coming in at number 5, the CRAFTSMAN V20, the best trusted brand name on a budget. Some DIYers want a name they know and a system to build on, not a no-name tool. CRAFTSMAN delivers. First, a brushless motor pushing up to 275 foot-pounds. Smooth, efficient power for lug nuts and everyday fasteners. Next, a hog ring anvil for fast, secure socket changes, plus 2 modes, drive or remove. Finally, it rides the V20 battery platform, so 1 pack runs your drill, driver, and wrench. Cons: it's a bare tool, no battery or charger. 275 foot-pounds trails the high torque picks. 2 modes, no fine dial. Best for CRAFTSMAN owners, brand loyal DIYers, light to medium jobs. Not for first-time buyers with no battery or heavy rust. At $99, the V20 buys into a trusted system. Already own CRAFTSMAN batteries. Easy pick. At number 4, the ARCCAPTAIN, the best adjustable torque wrench for careful DIYers. Full power impact wrenches can snap studs and strip threads if you're not careful. ARCCAPTAIN hands you the control to stop that. First, 3 forward torque settings: 500, 900, and 1350 Newton meters, so you dial the exact power a job needs. Next, up to 1500 Newton meters in reverse, 1100 6 foot-pounds, to break loose the bolts that fight back. Finally, 2 low-temperature 4-ampere-hour batteries and a glass fiber housing built to shrug off heat, drops, and cold mornings. Cons: the torque dial takes a moment to learn. It's chunkier than a compact gun. Reverse power far outpaces forward. Best for DI wires protecting alloy wheels and studs. Varied jobs. Not for anyone who just wants one button full power. At $129.99, the ARCCAPTAIN gives you power and precision. Hate snapping bolts? This is your wrench. At number 3, the ALLOYPOWER. The best pick for rusted, seized, never coming loose bolts. Every garage has that bolt. Rusted solid, rounded off, laughing at your breaker bar. The ALLOYPOWER exists to end it. First, 1,475 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, the highest number on this entire list. Rust doesn't stand a chance. Next, 3 speed and torque modes, from a gentle 1,050 revolutions per minute to full monster force, so it's not only brutal. Finally, a brushless motor that runs cooler under heavy load, paired with 2 4-ampere-hour packs for extended sessions. Cons: all that torque means real weight and kickback. Only 3 sockets included. Overkill for simple tire rotations. Best for rust belt DI wires, suspension and framework, older vehicles. Not for light users or tight, delicate fasteners. At $154.99, the ALLOYPOWER breaks what nothing else will. Fighting rust? This ends the fight. Quick reminder, if this is helping you choose, hit that like button and subscribe. All the links are in the description. Now let's get to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the DEWALT DC F900P1, the best premium all-rounder, and the one most garages should own. You want a wrench that does everything and shows up ready to work, not a project of batteries and adapters. This kit is it. First, 1,030 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,400 of breakaway. Serious muscle for almost any bolt on the car. Next, 4-mode speed control with precision wrench, easing off automatically to help stop over-tightening and runoff. Finally, it arrives complete: battery, charger, and bag, with a battery guard system that absorbs shock and protects the pack. Cons: it's the priciest pick here. Larger and heavier than a compact gun. Real power demands a firm grip. Best for serious DI wires, mixed automotive jobs, anyone wanting one do-it-all tool. Not for tight budget or featherweight seekers. At $251.74, the DCF 900P1 is the safe do-everything choice. Want one wrench for life? This is it. Now, number 1. The only wrench here that packs pro nut-busting power into a body compact enough to reach where others can't. The number 1 impact wrench for 2026 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel, the professional's gun for DIers who want the real thing. The biggest wrenches are powerful, but too bulky for a cramped wheel well or tight engine bay. Milwaukee wouldn't choose. First, a power state brushless motor delivering 1,000 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Pro-grade force for almost any bolt you'll meet. Second, it's the most compact, high-torque wrench here, dense enough to slip into tight spaces full-size guns can't reach. Third, 4-mode drive control smart enough to prevent runoff, from delicate work up to 3,000 revolutions per minute of full send. Fourth, an all-metal drivetrain and friction ring anvil built to last, on the huge M18 tool platform. Cons: it's a bare tool, so you'll need an M18 battery. It carries a premium name. Compact doesn't mean lightweight. Best for dedicated DIers, tight space work, anyone buying once for good. Not for tight budgets or first-timers with no platform. At $237, the M18 Fuel is professional power that fits anywhere. Want the best? This is it. And there you have it, the 7 best impact wrenches for 2026, from the budget starter to the professional's choice. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're putting in your garage. All the links are down in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.